We are told to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD, where AB is 3, AD is 4, BC and CD are congruent, and angle C is 60 degrees. So I want to break this into parts. So I'm going to construct myself a triangle, ABD, where now I have a special 3, 4, 5 triangle, so the hypotenuse has to be 5. We also know that the angle C is 60 degrees, and that the triangle BCD is isosceles because of these congruent sides. So the angles across from the congruent sides must also be congruent. So we know that if that is the case, these also have to be 60 degrees. So those are also 60 degrees. Because of that, we can also conclude that this segment over here must be 5 and this segment over here must be 5 because all the angles are the same, therefore all the side lengths must be the same also. So we have a equilateral triangle, and we want to now figure out the height of this triangle. We have the base now to be 5. Okay, the base is 5 right here. We're trying to find the height to figure out the area, because area is 1/2 base times height. So the height is going to be the perpendicular distance to the other side. So that's going to be a 90-degree angle there. Well, if angle C is 60 and this angle is 90, we know that the small angle right in here is going to have to be 30 degrees. So we have our special 30, 60, 90 triangle. Since the hypotenuse of that triangle over here is going to be 5, this length, we know that the 30 degree, or the side across from the 30 degree angle over here is going to be half of that, so it's going to be 5 over halves. So if that is 5 halves, then we know that the angle across from the 60 degree angle, or the side across from the 60 degree angle, must be 5 halves times square root of 3. So our height is going to be 5 halves square root of 3. So now we have enough information to figure out the area of everything. So this triangle ABD over here, we have the height is 3, the base is 4, so the area is 1/2 times 3 times 4 gives us 6. Now the area for the other triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height, so 1/2 times the base of 5 times the height of 5 halves times square root of 3. So when we multiply those together, we're going to get 25 over 4 times square root of 3 plus the other area of 6. So our area is going to be 6 plus 25 over 4 times square root of 3.